Are you ready to take your RC flying to the next level? Then you're in luck. We are giving away an FMS Hobby 1100mm PC21 and 1400mm Corsair. Plus, we're taking a sneak peek at a brand new scale build that's on the bench. So let's take a look. Plane. Happy New Year, everyone. It is a brand new year, and that means new projects and a new giveaway. There's been a lot happening behind the scenes, and it's finally time to start building again. First up, in terms of what's happening here, I've just started a brand new competition scale build, which is a quad 70mm EDF B-58 Hustler. The B-58 is an iconic Cold War era nuclear bomber and was first introduced in the late 1950s. It had an iconic delta-winged design capable of speeds of Mach 2. It had 4-potted J79 engines. It truly has left a lasting impression on aviation history and many aviation enthusiasts such as myself. And so the model itself is a Jet Hanger Hobbies made limited edition hollow molded composite kit. It was designed by my good friend Dorian Anderson. The landing gear were built by RC Crafters. They are completely scaled. They fold in all of the right places. So they are just absolutely insane and look incredible. And so it'll be powered by 4 Schubler 69mm EDFs on 6 cells. And also I plan to cover the entire airframe with flight metal foil tape, just like we did with the Yak 11. That was kind of my test subject for this method, and so I'm really excited to get into that. And so the goal of this project is to compete in the AMA RC Scale Nationals in July. So I've got my work cut out for me to get the airplane done and flown before then and ready for the competition. There's a lot to go over, which also includes, what is required to compete with a model like this. And so these are all things we will be covering on the channel. I'm really excited to talk about it. It's been a long time since I've done some competition, and I'm really eager to get back into it. And so the model is on the bench now, and I do expect the first video to post sometime in February. And so be on the lookout for that. And also, I'm thinking about doing possibly a live stream to do a more close-up look of the model, talk through some things, and do a question and answer session. So I've set up a form to submit questions. There's a link down in the description if you would like to submit a question for that. I expect that I would do that in a few weeks or so. It's no secret, I've been wanting to get back into building on the channel for a while. 2023 is the year we're making that happen, and I'm really excited to feature more of that type of content for you. So to celebrate this new project, this kind of new chapter, if you will, in cooperation with FMS Hobby, we are giving away 2 awesome scale models. Their 1400mm F4U Corsair and their 1100mm PC21 Pilatus. These are brand new in the box that you can win. I have a link down in the description where you can enter. There are multiple chances to win, so be sure to utilize every single entry that you can. And also there's a specialized link that you'll get. You can send out to your friends. You will get more entries if they enter through that link. And so be sure to spread the word. The competition opens today and will go all the way through until Thursday, February 23rd at 6 p.m. Central. That's when it closes. So again, be sure to utilize every entry that you can. I will be announcing the winner on Friday, February 24th, and hopefully provide some additional updates on the B-58 at that time. So good luck to all of you. A big thank you to FMS Hobby for their support. They really make some great airplanes, and I will be posting reviews of the Corsair and the PC21, so be sure to look out for those as well. 2023 can be the year to level up your flying. I've got a lot of other things planned to help you get to and reach those goals, hopefully. And so this is a great chance to jumpstart that for you if you win. Thank you all of you for your amazing support last year. It was a crazy year for me and everything that was going on with our household, but I'm really looking forward to what 2023 has in store. So while waiting for the first B-58 Hustler video to post, be sure to check out our latest refinish we did here. The metal covering technique I used in that I will be using on the B-58. And so thanks so much, guys. Good luck to all of you, and until next time, I'll see you at the field.